Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Holden Captiva stock in 6931. It's run from the first 2011 to the 6th 2018. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door has wobbles, right front door mirror, right front guard, right bonnet, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,